This review will convince you in 10 minutes that Gucci is better than Louis Vuitton, YSL, Dior, and many other luxury brands. So, keep watching. These are some unboxing clips from 2 years ago when I purchased this Gucci shoulder bag. Fast forward 2 years, we are going to be seeing how this bag performed, the wear and tear, and why you should or shouldn't be buying this bag. To maintain the quality of the bag, I always store it in the packaging that it comes with. Over here, you might be noticing that the packaging is different what I showed you earlier. That's because Gucci, when I purchased this bag, didn't have the packaging for my bag, so gave me a very larger size packaging. But later, after 1 year, they gave me the original packaging. This is the receipt that I got at the time of purchase of 1850 euros. Now this bag retails for 2000 euros, so a price increase of 150 euros for this handbag in 2 years. To maintain the quality of the bag, I would highly recommend you guys to keep your bags in the dust bag that it comes with. Otherwise, there's a high chance of the leather getting damaged due to dust. Alright, so this is Gucci Marmont small Matelassé shoulder bag in black leather. Bag has a soft structure shape, quilted leather, and a flap closure with double G hardware and a sliding chain strap. Bag has a spring closure and you press this button right here to open it. To maintain the structure of the bag, I always keep it with paper packaging inside, and this is the paper packaging that the bag came with. So inside the bag, we have microfiber lining with suede-like finish, and we have a small zipped pocket at the back. The size itself of the bag is really perfect for a small size bag, and believe it or not, I have carried a water bottle inside this bag. So now let's take a closer look at this bag. I have worn this bag almost daily in last 2 years, and guys, this bag is of such a good quality still, and it does not show any signs of wear and tear even after continuous wearing of it. You can see these corners here, and even at the base of the bag there is nothing really which has any signs of tears. The leather of the bag is still in a very prime condition, and the structure of the bag is still holding very well. Even at the back, there is no discoloration that I can see. Hardware of the bag is still in very good condition. There are no scratches whatsoever on the chain or even on the GG hardware in front. I have my other bags like YSL and Dior which have scratches like even in 1 week of using it. So this bag is still holding up in 2 years, which is a very, very good sign. The microfiber lining, which is inside the bag, as you can see, it's still in very good condition after 2 years, and there's not even a single stain or even any wear and tear inside. I've kept lipsticks, pens, and everything inside, which is still, it does not have any stains at all. So that's really good. Overall, I found that the quality of Gucci handbags is so much better when we compare it to Louis Vuitton, YSL, and Dior. I don't own a Chanel or Hermes yet, so I can't speak to that, but Gucci is still holding up to its name. I recently bought a Gucci card case to go with the bag. This is white Ophidia GG card case with classic GG Supreme canvas and white leather trim. It has double GG on front and fits 4 card slots. Let's see what fits inside. I'm putting Gucci card case in the zipped pocket. I have these stunning Gucci sunglasses in thick velvet case. I will also keep them inside and see if that fits perfectly. Okay, looks like it does. Next, I am putting my iPhone 12. Still a lot of space left inside. Next, I'm putting my Rituals hand lotion, which is a large size cream. Next, I have the Charlotte Tilbury's lip oil and lipstick. Next, I'm putting my AirPods inside. Still so much space left, so another lipstick. And next, I am putting my Victoria's Secret's perfume in the bag. There's still so much space left, and if you want to put more stuff, it will go in fine. There is no difficulty for me in closing the bag, and the structure of the bag from the outside is maintained, so it's a very nice sized bag, and you can fit as much as you want in it. I would absolutely recommend this bag to you guys. The structure, the leather, the hardware quality is absolutely top notch. If you're looking for something similar, look no further. In last 2 years, I haven't felt the need to clean the bag, but I have this multi-purpose leather cleaner which can be used to clean the bag. All you need to do is take a few drops of this on this microfiber cloth and dab it on the bag, just like that. Notice how I am not dragging the cloth onto the leather, and that's very important if you want to maintain the structure and leather details. Don't rub it, just dab it very lightly on the bag. Even after wearing this bag for 2 years, see how the leather strap is still good as new, but my YSL bag's leather strap is already discolored in 2 months of using it. That's why I love Gucci bags so much. Their leather is very rough and tough. To clean the hardware, just swipe with the microfiber cloth and you are done. Sharing some glimpse of how I have worn this bag over the years. I have worn it as a crossbody, over shoulders, even handheld. It's black, so you will have to be a little mindful of what colors you pair it with, but otherwise there's no limit on how you can style it. When I bought this bag at the time, there was only this one Marmont small Matelassé shoulder bag, but now I can see they have introduced so many designs in such different hardwares, leathers, even fabrics. So it's an absolutely heaven if you want to buy this bag in Marmont line. And I think you should absolutely buy it and add to your handbag collection. As you saw, there are so many pros and really no cons to this bag. Its design, hardware, and leather gives it a very luxurious feel, and for a very less price actually when you compare it to brands like Chanel, Dior, and Louis Vuitton, and it gives you a much better quality. Just few things to look out for when you are actually going to buy the bag. It's the size, the color, and the material that you're looking for. If you haven't owned a luxury handbag before, I think starting your collection with Gucci would be a decision you won't regret. Hope this video helped in making your purchase decision. I will be reviewing YSL envelope bag next, so I will see you in that one.